We're going to move on to our next call. We've got Tracy holding for us from Hancock County. I think that's Sparta. Hi there, Tracy.
Hello, how you doing?
Hey,
Doing
Tracy.
good. What's your question for us tonight, Miss Tracy?
Yes, my job, I'm not going to say the name of it, requires you to use your personal vehicle to go back and forth to client houses. I was traveling with a coworker, and someone ran a stop sign and hit us. Who do I sue in the accident? Do I sue the person who hit us in the stop sign, or also, since I was a passenger in the vehicle of the person who I was driving with, can I sue both or just the person who ran the stop sign?
Okay, you want to take that?
Yeah, well, you would start with the person who ran the stop sign. You always start with the driver who's at fault. And really, where you go from there is going to depend on how severe your injury was. The minimum amount of liability insurance you have to have by law in Georgia is $25,000. So I don't know how badly you were hurt, but if you're within whatever the driver has, you wouldn't really need to go beyond that.
Yeah, and if the driver, your host driver, if that was an employee also, and they did something negligent, then you could potentially sue them, but there's going to be a workers' comp issue probably there. So it gets more complicated, as Kate says. So you need to contact a lawyer and explain everything to them, and they'll be able to say which way you need to go.
It sounds pretty straightforward. The other person ran the stop sign, right? Is that what
yeah.
you said?
Yeah, but you always have the avoidance. They can
That's
always
true.
argue.
Yeah, last clear chance.
If she got hurt really badly, you want a deeper pocket and try to find some more money.
Yeah.
Absolutely.